Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Gonna do another walk around video, followed by an operational video on this beautiful 1977 International 686 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I will walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions, I'll get up close to everything, I'll tell you everything that I know, show you everything that I see. Of course, we'll fire it up, run it through its paces, let you hear the engine, show you the brakes are nice and strong, show you that it turns and steers and all that stuff, show you the 3-point and the PTO. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor, a used piece of ag equipment, or a used piece of construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our videos and find our machines, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, if you've been around the video for a while, or our channel for a while rather, you know we love these older machines that are in really nice condition, and this one is a beauty. It's 1977 International 686. As you can see, it is OROPS with the Sunshade. We have the originally this tractor was sold without the ROPS. We have the original brackets to take it back to a non-ROPS tractor that mount the fenders. They come with the tractor, so you can keep the ROPS on, or you can take it off and put it back to the original. So that roll bar is a factory roll bar, but it is the only piece of this tractor that's not original. As I get up close to everything here, you're gonna see that the paint is very bright. It's very reflective. It's just honestly a very nice older tractor. Front tire on this side is really good. Plenty of tread life there. I'm gonna say it's at least 50-60%. I think I'm being very fair. Up here on this front rim, as you can tell, the red paint is pretty bright. There are some spots where the paint has flaked off a little bit, and there's a little bit of just surface rust where the metal has been exposed, but overall very nice. Walking around, this sheet metal is very straight. Like I said, very bright red paint. A couple little small scratches right here. Even the decals are very clean. It does have the factory toolbox. It's got the factory wrench and pipe. Those of course go with the tractor. Rear tires, let's look at this side. As you can see here, very good tread life left there. The fenders underneath here are good. Not all rusted up, just a little bit of surface rust here and there, just where paint's flaked off a little bit, but just from being a 1977 model. Overall, very nice tractor. Two-wheel drive, obviously, 10-speed TA transmission. It's the D312 6-cylinder diesel, 2 rear remotes, 1 set of rear wheel weights. As you can see here, this rear rim is in good shape. Three-point. Drawbar's in good shape. 540 PTO. The PTO shield's in good shape. Like I said, 2 rear remotes. Again, kind of looking back here, everything's in good shape. Like I said, the ROPS is not original to the tractor. The ROPS have been painted. I'm assuming when they bought it, they bought a used roll bar and they repainted it. This rear tire matches up really well to the other side. Lots of tread life left there. Same thing on this side. This rear rim is in good shape. Looking up close at this side on the fender. Might be a little hard to see just because of how bright the sun is today, and this side's shaded, but again, you can see very reflective paint. I mean, you can see our shop here. This paint is very nice for a 1977 model. Underneath that fender's good. Again, the sheet metal on this side, very straight, very reflective. I mean, you can see all the other machines sitting over there. A couple little scratches here and there. Again, it is a 77 model. There's a little scratch there and there. Decals on this side look very good. Little toolbox here. The front tire on this side matches up pretty well to the other side. Looking at the rim on this side, again, it matches up really well to the other side. Just some paint flaked off over time. Nothing out of the ordinary. Front end looks really good up here. Everything looks good up here in the front. That grill's in good shape. Up here in the lights and that nose. Take a look at the side of the engine here. As you can see here, very, very dry. Very clean. Just a tiny little bit of moisture right there. But it's not running down the side of the blocks clean and dry. Down here, the oil pan's nice and clean and dry. Back here towards the rear end, everything's good, nice and clean. Go take a look at the other side of the engine. Again, very, very clean. No oil or diesel running down the side of the block here. Does have a block heater. Again, we'll look back here. Nice and dry. Take a look at the operator station. That step here is in good shape. I mean, you can see how the diamond tread pattern is still nice and deep. Sorry with the shade there, it's kind of hard to see that, but platform's in good shape here. Step up on the clutch is in good shape there. That pedal still retains a lot of that tread pattern. The seat's in good shape. Bottom cushion, I don't see any cuts or tears there. The backrest section has a couple small little cracks right there and one little one right there. Everything looks good there. Taking a look at the top of the fenders. Kind of getting up close here. Just a little bit of the paint speckled, a couple spots, spider web cracks, you know. Just the original paint. This fender here, again, very, very bright paint. Some little speckles in the paint, just from age. Very clean looking. Like I said, the hood is very straight. Sheet metal's all really nice. Hour meter does work. 2,585 original hours. Everything looks good up here. Again, brake pedals are very clean. Drop my phone there. Okay. All right, like I said, this is a 1977 686. There's a bunch of photos on our website that's listed down below in the description. We'll fire it up, get right into an operational video. If you have any questions, comment down below.